Every year, thousands of deer hunters walk into a sporting goods store and spend $1,000 on a rifle they do not need. The firearms industry wants you to believe that sub-$500 bolt guns are range toys at best and liabilities at worst. That is not true. And the manufacturers of premium platforms are counting on you never finding out. One rifle on this list, sitting under $400 at your local dealer right now, has outperformed centerfire bolt guns, costing nearly double in independent accuracy testing. The industry ignored it because it came from the wrong brand. You are about to find out which one it is. Here we go. Rank 5, the Mossberg Patriot. Most hunters pass this rifle on the shelf without a second look. That is a mistake built on brand assumption, not performance data. Mossberg introduced the Patriot in 2015 as a direct answer to the budget bolt-action market dominated at the time by Remington and Savage. The platform drew no military contract and no law enforcement adoption. What it drew was a factory sub-minute of angle accuracy guarantee, printed in the box, at a street price sitting below $400 at launch. Here is what most people miss about this gun. The Patriot ships with a free-floating, button-rifled barrel as a standard feature, not an upgrade. At this price point, a free-floating barrel is not guaranteed on competing platforms. That barrel separation means the stock never contacts the barrel during the flex of a shot cycle, which is one of the primary mechanical reasons factory accuracy guarantees are possible at all. Mossberg built it in from the start. The Patriot weighs 6.5 pounds unscoped, runs a 22-inch barrel, and measures 42 inches overall. It chambers in .300 blackout, .308, .30-06, and several other standard deer cartridges. The spiral fluted bolt runs smooth out of the box, and the lightning bolt action trigger breaks at a consistent 3 pounds without adjustment. The Ruger American in the same price tier weighs half a pound less, but the Patriot's trigger requires no aftermarket work to trust in the field. The genuine weakness is the stock. The synthetic furniture flexes more than hunters expect, and the grip angle feels awkward to shooters with larger hands. That weakness disappears at the bench and matters most on long, cold weather sites when hand fatigue accumulates. This rifle belongs in the hands of a first-time deer hunter who wants a verifiable accuracy guarantee and a free-floating barrel without paying for either as an upgrade. The next rifle on this list carries a name tied to American deer camps for over a century, and its newest iteration just rewrote the value equation for the platform entirely. Rank 4, the Winchester XPR. The Winchester name has been in American deer camps since 1866. The XPR has nothing to do with that legacy except the badge on the receiver, and that is exactly what makes it interesting. Winchester launched the XPR in 2015 as a clean sheet design. No parts carried over from the Model 70. No heritage architecture adapted to hit a price point. Engineers built a modern push-feed bolt action from the ground up with one specific target, a sub-$500 street price with a sub-minute of angle accuracy guarantee backed in writing. That combination had not existed under the Winchester name before. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything. The XPR uses a polymer trigger housing that most reviewers dismissed as a cost-cutting measure. It is the opposite. That housing isolates the trigger group from stock pressure and receiver flex in a way that traditional metal housings at this price tier do not. The result is a consistent pull weight that does not shift between a cold morning sit and a warm afternoon bench session. Winchester buried that detail in technical documentation. Almost no one in the hunting press covered it at launch. The XPR weighs 6.7 pounds unscoped, runs a 24-inch barrel in standard chamberings, and measures 44.5 inches overall. The 3-lug bolt rotates 70 degrees, faster than the 90-degree throw on the Mossberg Patriot at rank 5. Available chamberings for deer include .270, .30-06, .300 Winchester Magnum, and .308. The MOA trigger is user-adjustable between 2.5 and 5 pounds without tools. The genuine weakness is bolt feel. The push feed action cycles with less mechanical feedback than a controlled round feed design, and hunters who have run a Model 70 for decades will notice the difference immediately. In a defensive or dangerous game context that matters. In a Midwestern deer stand at 200 yards, it does not matter at all. This rifle belongs in the hands of a hunter who wants a modern platform with genuine trigger adjustability and a clean factory warranty without paying for the Model 70 name. The next gun on this list runs the fastest bolt throw in the budget class and carries a cold, hammer-forged barrel that most competing manufacturers reserve for their premium tiers. Rank 3, the Ruger American. When Ruger introduced this platform in 2012, the Firearms press called it a solid entry-level option. That description undersells what Ruger actually built. The American entered the market at a street price under $400 and immediately attracted attention from competitive shooters and hunters who cared about data over brand reputation. No military contract backs this platform. No law enforcement agency issued it. What earned the Ruger American its place in American deer camps is a cold, hammer-forged barrel and a 3-lug bolt system, producing the shortest throw of any rifle in the budget category. A mere 70 degrees of rotation from locked to open. Here is what most people miss about this gun. Cold hammer forging is a barrel manufacturing process that compresses the steel around a mandrel under thousands of tons of force. The result is a barrel with a denser, more consistent bore surface than button-rifled alternatives at the same price. Ruger uses this process across its entire American line, regardless of price tier. At $400, a hunter gets a barrel manufacturing standard that competing brands charge $600 and above to deliver. In heavy timber, where a second shot at a moving deer inside 50 yards is a real scenario, that 70-degree bolt throw means a faster cycling time than either the Mossberg Patriot at rank 5 or the Winchester XPR at rank 4. The Ruger American weighs 6.2 pounds unscoped, runs a 22-inch barrel in standard deer chamberings, and measures 42 inches overall. The platform chambers in .223, .243, 7mm 08, .308, and .30-06, among others. The factory trigger breaks between 3 and 5 pounds and is adjustable within that range using a single screw accessible through the trigger guard. Capacity runs 4 rounds in a detachable rotary magazine, matching the XPR but offering faster field reloads than the Patriot's internal box. The genuine weakness is the stock geometry. The American's flat comb was designed for iron sight shooting and sits too low for comfortable cheek weld with most modern scopes without an aftermarket riser. Hunters who scope this rifle immediately should budget an additional $20 to $30 for a cheek piece. That is a real cost and a real inconvenience. This rifle belongs in the hands of a hunter who moves through thick cover and needs a fast second shot from a mechanically reliable platform that will not require a barrel upgrade in 3 seasons. The next rifle on this list runs a trigger system that outperforms bolt guns, priced at twice the cost, and most hunters buying it have no idea why. Rank 2, the Savage Axis II. This rifle sells because of the price. It earns its rank on this list because of one specific component that Savage has never received full credit for. Savage introduced the Axis II in 2013 as an update to the original Axis platform. The change that defined it was not the barrel. It was not the stock. It was the AccuTrigger, a system Savage had developed for its higher-end Model 10 and Model 110 lines, now dropped into a sub-$350 package. No other manufacturer in the budget category made that move. Most still have not. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything. The AccuTrigger is not simply a lighter pull option. It is a fully user-adjustable system with a secondary blade, called the AccuRelease, that runs inside the main trigger face. That blade must be fully depressed before the main trigger breaks, which allows Savage to set the pull weight as low as 2.5 pounds from the factory without creating an unsafe condition. 2.5 pounds. That pull weight matches triggers found only on rifles priced at $800 and above from Tikka, Bergara, and Browning. A hunter who buys a Savage Axis II and never touches the trigger adjustment is still running a safer, crisper break than any competing platform at this price point delivers from the box. The Axis II weighs 6.5 pounds unscoped, runs a 22-inch barrel, and measures 41 3/4 inches overall. The platform chambers in 223, 243, 7mm 08, 308, and 30-06. The detachable box magazine holds 4 rounds. Bolt throw is 90 degrees, slower than the 70-degree rotation on the Ruger American at rank 3, and that gap is the most meaningful mechanical difference between the two rifles in a field setting. The genuine weakness is the factory stock. The Axis II ships with a thin-walled synthetic stock that flexes noticeably under pressure and produces inconsistent cheek weld between shooting positions. Hunters who plan to shoot from field positions rather than a bench will feel that inconsistency. A Boyd's or Magpul replacement stock in the $100 to $150 range eliminates the problem entirely, though that cost narrows the price gap between this rifle and the next tier. This rifle belongs in the hands of a precision-minded hunter who wants a factory trigger that requires no aftermarket replacement and no gunsmith work to perform at a level most rifles in this class cannot reach. The #1 rifle on this list started life in a completely different hunting tradition, arrived in the centerfire bolt-action market without fanfare, and quietly posted accuracy numbers that made rifles costing nearly twice as much look overpriced. Rank 1. The CVA Cascade. You have waited long enough. Here it is. CVA built its entire reputation on muzzleloaders. For decades, the name meant black powder, saboted bullets, and primitive weapons seasons. When the Cascade arrived in 2019 as a centerfire bolt-action rifle, the Firearms press treated it as a curiosity. A muzzleloader company making a centerfire bolt gun. The assumption was that the platform would be adequate at best. That assumption was wrong in a way that matters to every hunter on a budget. CVA entered the centerfire market with no legacy architecture to protect and no existing customer base to avoid alienating. That freedom produced a clean design built entirely around one goal: sub-minute of angle accuracy at a street price under $400. To hit that target, CVA specified a button-rifled carbon steel barrel, a fully adjustable trigger tech trigger, and a 3-lug bolt running a 70-degree throw. Every one of those features exists on rifles priced $300 higher. Here is what most people miss about this gun. The trigger tech system in the Cascade is not a budget approximation of a good trigger. It is the same trigger tech mechanism found in dedicated precision rifles from manufacturers who charge $1,200 and above for a complete package. The pull is adjustable between 2.5 and 5 pounds. The brake is 0 creep and 0 over travel. The Cascade ships with a documented sub-minute of angle factory accuracy guarantee, the same standard that premium bolt-action manufacturers charge significantly more to put in writing. That guarantee, combined with the trigger tech mechanism, places the Cascade in a performance category its price tag has no business occupying. The Cascade weighs 6.3 pounds unscoped, runs a 22-inch barrel, and measures 41.5 inches overall. The platform chambers in .308, 6.5 Creedmoor, .243, 30-06, and 7mm Remington Magnum, among others. The detachable box magazine holds 3 rounds in Magnum chamberings and 4 rounds in standard chamberings. Bolt throw measures 70 degrees, matching the Ruger American at rank 3 and faster than both the Winchester XPR and the Mossberg Patriot. The genuine weakness is availability. CVA distributes through a narrower retail network than Winchester, Ruger, or Savage, and hunters in rural markets may need to order through a dealer rather than pulling one off a shelf. That is an inconvenience. It is not a reason to buy a less accurate rifle. The CVA Cascade earns the top position on this list because no other bolt-action rifle under $400 delivers a factory trigger tech mechanism, a sub-minute of angle accuracy guarantee, and a 70-degree bolt throw in the same package. The Savage Axis II at rank 2 comes closest on trigger quality. The Ruger American at rank 3 matches the bolt speed. Neither combines both at this price. The Cascade does. For a deer hunter who wants a rifle that will not require a trigger job, a barrel upgrade, or an apology at 200 yards, this is the one to buy. Every rifle on this list will cleanly take a whitetail at ethical hunting distances in the hands of a shooter who knows the platform. The difference between a $350 bolt gun and a $1,200 bolt gun is not the deer. It is the features the manufacturer chooses to bury in the fine print. Now you know where to look. Here's the question for the comments. Which of these 5 rifles has filled the most tags in your camp? And what chambering are you running? Drop it below because that data is more useful than anything a manufacturer's spec sheet will ever tell you. If any rifle on this list chambers a cartridge regulated as an NFA item in your state, verify local laws before purchasing. Regulations vary and change. Know your jurisdiction. Subscribe if you want firearms breakdowns built on verified specifications and documented field performance, not marketing copy. Every number in this video is sourced and provable. That is the only standard this channel operates on.